Hello everyone, we are going to discuss a topic that is closely related to you and me, the power of COVID-19. The following is our content. First, we will introduce the main idea. Next, we will introduce what is COVID-19. Then we will give 3 examples. The epidemic cancelled many activities, long-term online classes, the problem of finding job, and finally we will share comments and reflections. Without further ado, let's start right away. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected people of all ages, including the young generation. As a result of the pandemic, many aspects of our daily lives have been disrupted, such as our education, social lives, and career prospects. With schools closing and classes moving online, students have had to adjust to a new way of learning that can be challenging and isolating. Social distancing measures have also made it difficult for young people to maintain their social lives, which can be an important source of support and happiness. The pandemic has also had a significant impact on young people's mental health. The uncertainty and stress of the pandemic can lead to increased anxiety and depression, and social isolation can exacerbate feelings of loneliness and hopelessness. Additionally, many young people have experienced financial hardship or job loss as a result of the pandemic, which can add to the stress and anxiety they may be feeling. COVID-19 is a highly contagious viral disease caused by a novel coronavirus. Symptoms include fever, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, sore throat, and muscle aches. To control the spread of the virus, various measures such as wearing face masks and maintaining social distancing have been implemented around the world. COVID-19 is still having a significant impact on the global economy and way of life from the end of 2019 to the present. Now we are going to give some examples of the impacts caused by the pandemic. The first one is the cancellation of many events due to the pandemic. The COVID-19 virus is highly contagious through contact with infected individuals, so activities that involve going out or interacting with others are often canceled. For instance, high school students canceled their club presentations, singers canceled their concerts, and gatherings with friends must also be canceled. All these daily social activities are canceled due to the COVID-19 virus. The impact caused by the need for online learning due to the COVID-19 virus is significant. Number 2 is about long-term online classes. Firstly, students are no longer able to have face-to-face interaction with their teachers and classmates, which may affect their learning experience and social skills development. Additionally, some students may not have access to reliable devices for online learning, which puts them at a disadvantage. Secondly, teachers are faced with the challenge of adapting their teaching methods to an online format, which may require additional training and preparation. It can also be more difficult for teachers to gauge the understanding and engagement of their students in a virtual setting. While online learning may provide an alternative solution for continuing education during the pandemic, it also poses several challenges that need to be addressed for ensuring the quality and accessibility of education. Next, the problem of finding a job. COVID-19 has affected some students throughout their entire semester. First, one of the problems is that we have less practical experience. Because of the long-term online classes might not provide students with enough practical experience in real works. For medical students who have completed 2 years of online courses, will they have enough practical experience to interact with patients? Second, the new industrial environment. During the epidemic, the entire industrial chain has become very different, and it has faced several waves in unemployed. Due to waves of unemployment, the supply of jobs has far exceeded the demand. Freshmen have to compete with experienced professionals for jobs. But there is still some new hope under these problems. Despite the devastating impact that COVID-19 has had on our lives, it has also brought about new opportunities for us. The pandemic has led to the emergence of new jobs and industries, such as food delivery. and has also driven the growth of existing industries, such as advancements in medicine and the development of high-tech industries. In the end, this is our comments and reflection. To focus our project on how the pandemic affects young people throughout their entire school life can help us understand more clearly how our way of life has changed. It also gives us a chance to reflect on the effects that we may not have noticed before, such as whether our social skills have been weakened, what we have lost through the pandemic, and how powerful COVID-19 is. Ultimately, we witness the impact of COVID-19 not only on our mental and physical health, but also on how it has drastically altered our way of life.